Hello, I'm Leslie Sanchez, your trusted real estate advisor here in Miami. Clients often approach me for real estate investment advice, and today I want to talk about 3 key factors to consider when choosing the right investment property for you, whether it's a condo, single family, or multifamily home. The location of a property plays a significant role in the property's potential appreciation. Look for areas with strong job growth, low crime rates, good schools, and proximity to public transportation, dining, and shopping. Repairs and renovations can significantly boost a property's market value and rental income potential. Aligning renovations with the local market preferences will maximize the return on your investment. Economic development in a neighborhood can lead to higher property values over time, driven by a growing population and increased housing demands. Keep an eye out for upcoming developments such as new roads, public transportation options, parks, and more. These 3 factors are pivotal in evaluating your investment's value and income potential. Partnering with a real estate agent who knows the area well can provide valuable insights into the market trends and potential opportunities in the area. Contact me today to discuss your investment goals.